Yes, hello, we are here again, and another batch of plastic has cured over here and yeah, a lot of places. But first we should check out this. I think we got more samples of the roof. Let's see what they have here. A couple different ways. This is from Eurotop. I think they accidentally sent two letters. I think this is the exact same in this one. Yes, it's from Eurotop, and it's the same things. This is why I wanted the sample. I can immediately see that the PVC is the wrong color. Comparing to that's PVC and that's PVC, and it's different colors. The fabric is better, but it's quite dark. We'll check on the car. Let's see what we got. I want to match this color if it's possible. Let me know in the comment which one you think I should go for. Let's see here. We have done the first real sanding, or I just sand it down to see how it looks. We have more to do. I can see that this is a little bit thin. I need to patch it up on the underside a bit more, or else it's too thin. Yeah, I can feel it. I have gel coat cracks over here, and it looks good, I think. Maybe it's a bit high, but we will. I think we can do some filler on it and plus this patch, the last thing we do. I put some fiberglass on the parts that are too thin. This is how the first layer of putty looked like. It's a bit rough. It's more like a guiding coat, so I can see where it's high and where it's low. I did find some cracks over here, and you can see them quite well if you this They're getting darker where the cracks are. Maybe we got one more. So we need to lay some fiberglass over it. I think we got one over there too. So we're back out here again, and I hope this was the last fiberglass patches I needed to do on this bumper. We will grind this down and see what shape we got over here. If we are close, and grind this down and put on some more fairing. It got a bit thin after all this grinding, so I have to reinforce it on the inside and the outside. Just put on another layer of fairing on this one, and this time I didn't find any more for gel coat cracks. So no fiberglass this time, only fairing. But it's lots of fairing left to do. This is just roughly to get the right shape on it. And I have to work a lot more on it. But this is how it looks today. And another thing you want to help me with, I still need these lights. I'm still looking for the lights. They are almost the same as these ones. This is more metallized, and I'm looking for another type that is almost the same. More round and meet the bumper, that bumper better. And I think the lights are further out here. Please help me find some lights that I can buy. I know there are lights in England, so at least one guy that have the lights in England, but he don't know if he want to ship them to Sweden. So if you can buy them and ship them to me, it would be great. This is how it looks. I think we have a low spot over here. Yes, and yes. Have to see what this is, if it's a crack or just something I did when I was grinding. It will be hard to get the right shape to not get any flat spots. Think I have to start to finish one area at a time. It's too much to remember where to put on new fairing and everything. So I think I will concentrate to get this area correct. Then go down here and then start with the big one here, then all the small ones around. It starts to get better. It's a lot of small things left to do here, but it's start to getting the right shape. All this is left to do. It's a little low here, and there's a low spot over there. This one we haven't done anything of, so here we have a lot to do. It's a bit low over here. This is pretty good. Low here. Yes. So one more layer of fairing here. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.